Hello everyone and welcome to another Swift tutorial. In this video we're going to be going over enumerations. So enums, as they're commonly called, are a great way of organizing our data. So if you take a look here, we have a pretty simple class like we've been having in these tutorials with our person class and our name and age and our initializer right there. Okay, and then we have our object. So what if we want to add a profession? Whoops. Um, Now that would typically be a string, right? Well, what if there's only three kind of professions, for instance, that a person could have? It'd be kind of taxing to write out all three professions every time. What if we could just pick from one of the three? So let's actually do that. We're going to use an enum for that. All right, so we say enum right there is our keyword, and then we're going to call this careers. And then in here, we're going to have the first case could be a developer. The second case could be a scientist. And then the third case could be a businessman. All right. Okay, so instead of having the profession be a string, we should have this be now one of the careers. Okay. Um, Now, in order to initialize it, of course, we need to create a professions parameter. And then this is going to be careers. And then we have professions. Whoops. Profession. And then we'll have that equal professions parameter. Okay. So now we have this initialized, ready to go. But our person object now needs to be able to reference the enum, or it needs to be able to provide us a value for their profession. So for professions parameter, we can just say, in order to call it or reference it, all we have to do is say dot businessman or developer or scientist. And so we can say developer, and then of course in order to reference it, we can just say person dot profession. And as we run that, boom, developer. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on enumerations. If you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know. Again, this is a very simple, basic tutorial on how to get started with enumerations. It's fairly straightforward for the most part. But again, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next one.